Tools needed for this install is a 1/4-inch screwdriver, 8mm socket, plastic panel popper. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video on a 1999 to 07 Ford Super Duty. So let's get started. First step, using your 8mm socket, we're going to remove 2 bolts. After removing the 2 bolts, go ahead and unseat your taillight. Go ahead and disconnect these 2 bulb sockets, turning counterclockwise. Before we bring our taillight over, go ahead and inspect the rubber gasket seal. Make sure it's intact to prevent any moisture. Going to bring your new taillight over. Go ahead and plug in your brake, parking, turn signal bulb. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Go ahead and grab your reverse light bulb. Install it into your assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Line up these 2 guide pins. Drop it into the slot. Carefully pop them in. Go ahead and reinstall your 2 8mm bolts. Now that we have our passenger side taillight installed, let's repeat the same process to the driver's side. Now that we're finished installing our taillights, let's close the tailgate and test all our taillight functions.